Okay, this is the DJI Mini 2, the Fly More combo pack. Feels pretty nice, soft. Okay, so what do you get? You get replacement blades, small Phillips for changing the blades. These are the joysticks. You get a controller. So those joysticks are replacement because you have another set on the controller itself. It feels pretty good. It's got some weight to it. There's rubber here, speaker. This is for your phone, and you got a cable. Comes pre-installed with the lightning cable. You can easily store it here. So if you press once, it gives you the battery percentage. In order to turn it on, you press once short and then you press and hold. You get some documentation. So the quick start guide. You also get the charging hub. This is the charging hub with 2 more batteries, 2 cables, one USB-C to micro USB and one USB-C to USB-C. This is a USB-A to USB-C for charging. This is the charging hub. It's pre-installed with 2 batteries. The other battery is in the drone itself. All you do is press here and you pull it out. Connectors are here and there. It's a smart charging hub, so it will charge the battery that has the most juice, the most power. And after that's done charging, it will move to the second one that's got the most charge. This is where you plug in the USB-C so you can charge it. This is how you turn it on and off. This is the charger itself, just a USB-A charger, 3 amp charger. Okay, now the drone itself comes neatly packed. It's very light, fits in your hand, real nice. Got this nice holder for the blades, for the arms I meant. There's a snap here. This is how you fold it out. Compared to the last Mini, it's way more rugged. The blades are stiffer. This is the camera protector that you remove before flying. This is where the battery is. So you just snap it. If you want to open it, just put your fingernail here. This is how you remove it. There's a button here that you press, and then you pull out. This is the Microsd card slot, and you can charge it via USB-C. This is how you remove the camera cap. So it's got 2 hooks here, more stickers, 4K camera, stabilized on 3 axes. Make sure it's well seated. And it holds the camera really well. Okay, well, this is it. Now let's give it a test flight. You can check the charge in the battery that is in the drone by clicking once on this button. So this one's full, or clicking this rear button. Also, if you want to quick transfer files from the microSD card in the drone directly to your phone, not having your phone connected to the controller, once the drone is on, then you can just hold this button for a few seconds until it turns blue, and then you can transfer them quickly. A quick tip is to number your batteries so you go through them the same amount. It will help maintain the batteries at the same wear level. Also, the way you check how much juice is in the batteries in the charger, you just press on this button and it will tell you how much juice each battery has.